Yo, what is going on? Welcome back, episode 6. I'm just doing these from 1 to blah blah blah. We're going to be in the intermediate stuff. Today we're getting user input. So what we want to do is, first thing, include our IOStream. If you don't have it here, go ahead and include that in your SDK file. Now let's go ahead and get started. We are just going to assign a value to X, but we're given input off the keyboard to the console to give us a value of whatever we inputted on the keyboard, whatever keystroke we done, right? So we're going to create an integer of X. Down below, we're going to use cout, with the arrow is pointing to the cout, which is I call it the cout operator, but other people might call it something different, but that's how I just remembered it. Remember, I am self-taught. I just learned on my own way, so I could be completely wrong about that name, or however I would say that. So we're going to go ahead and give us please enter a number, and now we're going to use the send operator, but this time we're going to assign it this way towards the X of our variable up there. Now we're going to just output to the console again, and we're going to say your number is, with a /n for new line, and then we're going to get the value of X. And if we save this and we will run it, it says please enter a number. We're going to enter a number called 5, and we're going to hit enter. Your number is 5. So that's how we do giving input, and that's how we're getting the value of 5. If you understand, int here with this X is what we're assigning this 5 to. Like, so for example, think of it like this. We're going to review it. We have an integer of X, but we're not giving it any value. It's not equal to nothing. But we're outputting a message to the console to say, please enter a number. This send is the complete opposite. It's not outputting a string. It's getting a value that we input from the value of X, which is up here. So if we say X is equal to 5, and we input 5 on our keyboard and on our console, when we press enter, it'll print this message saying your number is, with a new line below it, 5, because that's what we inputted, 5, for the value of X. And that's how we give user input. It's a really simplified approach, but that's how we do it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.